Yo, this is pretty funny. Maybe, I don't know. I usually don't drink beer a few minutes before I start recording, but if I do, I put it in a glass first, or in a cup, or in a mug, so the gas goes out a little bit. But now I thought, well, I'm just gonna drink like one or two sips, and I drank two little sips, and I kept burping throughout the video. But I can't postpone taking of the video because I have less than 20 minutes to upload it now. So yeah, I woke up at 9, or should I say I was woken up by my dad scrunching the, I don't know what, but it sounded like paper. Something paper-like. Probably paper bags from, I don't know, bread from the supermarket or something. And he kept doing it long enough that I stood up, shut the kitchen door, and then he stopped. And then I tried to fall asleep again, but it was kind of difficult because I kept being irritated by the sound that has woken me up, even though it has stopped already. But I finally managed to fall asleep again, and again I woke up at noon, and that was the end of the Japanese video. I kept apologizing over and over for the burping, so I couldn't go further. But yeah, I had a very weird dream. I don't even know how to explain it, but it was like I was going for a walk, and then somehow on my route back home, probably, there was like a K-pop concert, and I trespassed on it, and then security came to grab me, and I explained that like this was the only route and there was no door or no ticket gate or anything. So I just hopped over the fence, and I saw like 20 other people doing the same thing, and all of them were explaining the same thing. But eventually, I don't know if the security left us alone or we just went away because it's a dream, we can do that. Somehow it became a night, and I was in a street like Harry Potter-esque, let's say, and I went into somebody's house, I think, and somebody grabbed my hand, and I think I woke up, or maybe something else happened later. I don't know. I woke up pretty anxious. But it still wasn't the thing that I intended on talking today. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.